Hey there. In the next 60 seconds, we're going to reveal how you can boost your business efficiency, save your time, and 10x your quality in just a few easy steps. This is something you've never seen before. What if we give you full access to 120 plus burning hot web-based tools which you can use to automate your daily business and even sell these services to make heavy profits? Plus, you get millions of copyright-free stock images, millions of copyright-free stock videos, Photoshop-like image editor, plus logo builder. You can use all these for unlimited times without any restrictions. Yes, you heard right. First time ever, you'll have 120 plus tools on a single dashboard. ToolMonster has the power to reduce your work by 50% and save your time simultaneously. ToolMonster includes every possible tool you can think of: website management tools, development tools, binary converter tools, image editing tools, text content tools, unit converter tools, and extra tools. Other than online tools, we've also included Premium Logo Builder, Premium Image Editor, Premium Stock Video Collection, Premium Stock Photo Collection, Premium Link Shortener, 10 custom mind-blowing bonuses. But when you act today, you get all the features of ToolMonster with its commercial license. So hurry, act now before the price increases. We'll see you inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote IT products, cloud-based products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have yet another amazing software called ToolMonster. ToolMonster is a product that's been launched on the 7th of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and is being launched by the super affiliate Rudy Rodra. And this one, ToolMonster, in a nutshell, is actually a product that's going to help you automate your daily business work and boost your business efficiency, save your time, and 10 times your quality in just few easy taps. And it includes also what I call video editing materials, voiced over editing materials, and everything that you need to make your business stand out is included in this very software. And it has millions of stock images, millions of stock videos, and Photoshop-like editor. That means you can basically present your case and let it stand out there as long as business is concerned. And as such, if this is a product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link, when you click on it, it will bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, which is exactly this, and you can grab a copy with this link. When you click this link, it will take you to the amazing sales page where we were before, and you will be able to actually get any of the yellow links scattered all over the sales page to actually get a copy for yourself. When you click this link, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you will definitely find a page that looks like what I'm going to show you now. It's a page that will show you exactly the buttons you need to get not only my bonuses, but also the toolbox ToolMonster product, which helps you do your business. Now, this is the button. When you click on that link on my bonus page, it will take you to the sales page. And if you click all the links on the sales page, they will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you buy this product. Under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks exactly like this. This green button gives you access to ToolMonster, and this one below gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you if you stick with me, of course. And I will show you through the members area software demo video in action, and then of course be able to conclude with a sales page as we go. Now let us go into more details and see exactly what this very amazing software is all about. What ToolMonster is all about is very simple. It is set to with 120 plus hot burning tools which anyone can use to boost their business efficiency, and by making you have 10 times the capabilities you used to have. And it has also logo builder, unlimited video downloads, and premium image editor, and a lot more facilities you have on this one. ToolMonster removes all hassles and enables you to succeed without spending money on money-sucking freelancers. That means You don't need to pay anybody because it is easy to use, and you can use it to present your videos, your images, and of course your logos and whatever else you desire, as long as making your business stand out there. This is exactly what the creator, Rudy Rodra, is telling us, and we have every reason to actually believe him. This is the creator of Ubot, which did so well, you know, and of course my customers were testaments to what that product did. So that's why anytime I see his product, I would like to review it, because I know it has this level of quality that is, gives value to my clients and my customers. With that said, let us now go into the pricing for this one. Now, the front end for this product goes for $17. I think it has about a $2 or $3 thereabout discount, which will fall down from the very sales page. When you visit there, you will have the discount coupon appear, and you will be able to use that link on that coupon to actually get a copy cheaper than $17. Now that's what this one is all about. Now OTO number 1 will be the unlimited version of ToolMonster. It goes for $37, which is basically advisable, because there are certain limitations on the ToolMonster front end. And then you will be able to have this unlimited version, which has no restrictions whatsoever, so it's always advisable. Others could be optional, but this one is the most important option outside the front end. Now that's what it gives you. It gives you unlimited accounts, unlimited searches, unlimited access, no limits, unlimited downloads, exclusive link shortener, exclusive training step by step, millions of videos and image data, easy to understand software training, video training, including step-by-step video software guide, and dedicated support and Facebook private group access. So that's what you have with that very unlimited version of ToolMonster. The OTO number 2 will be ToolMonster Pro, which goes for $37 as well. And here you get 300% more traffic and sales faster and easy with zero tech hassles ever. Get max audience glued onto the power of fresh visual content and step-by-step exclusive traffic full training and case study, and includes also 100+ traffic sources. Get traffic in just one click, and includes millions of stock images download in one exclusive click. So that's what you have for OTO number 2. OTO number 3 will be the exclusive version of ToolMonster. It goes for $97. This one is where they set up the done for you funnel, integration with autoresponder, approval affiliates, offers, and step-by-step funnel training, and 24/7 support. That's OTO number 3 for you, exclusive, amazing one. And OTO number 4 will be ToolMonster Reseller. It goes for $37, and here you will grab complete reseller rights to ToolMonster, and of course generate cool monthly income in the next 24 hours. And it will definitely help you start your own profitable software selling business instantly with any huge investment, without any huge investment. Okay, that's what you have with that OTO number 4, which sounds very good to me. Now that means you can reproduce this product and sell it as your own, of course, and keep all the funds you raise from it. Now these are the benefits you have with this one. Is 100% fully AI based cloud for platform, and 120 services that you can sell to clients, millions of stock images, get premium training, and millions of stock videos. And of course, the most important thing is that it is beginner friendly, step-by-step training and videos. So that's what you get from the very members area, and it has amazing 30-day money back guarantee. Now let's talk about my amazing bonuses for you. Because I have over 1,000 bonuses to give you in this very one, but for now let us just take a look at them one by one. Now you have access to product vault, which is giving you 17 amazing bonuses, softwares, of course, and training courses in this very 17 product vaults, and you'll be able to have them free of charge from me. And my bonus number 2 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, which means you get a training that teaches you how you can automate a business that runs on autopilot, which will give you between 0, of course, to $1,000, depending on the work you impute in your daily activities. Now that's what you have for number 2 bonus of mine. Number 3 will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice, which is a crazy hack. Without traffic and getting it to your website or to your affiliate link, there will be no making money online. So this is exactly the training you have with this super training. And of course, that's what you have for number 4. And now you have my commission toolbox, which has, of course, over 1,000 tools. So when I tell you that I have 1,022 bonuses and facilities for you to make money online, I know what I'm saying. So this is 1,000 tools, over 1,000 actually, and that's what you have for this very month. Whatever instrument, it's sort of, puts down ToolMonster, because ToolMonster is about 120 plus, but here you're talking about over 1,000 tools for video editing, for image resizing, for shorteners, whatever you think of, as long as using tools online to make money is concerned, you have it under this commission toolbox of over 1,000 tools. I use this so that you will see that it complements with ToolMonster, which has just about 120 plus. Okay, so you can even make up your mind on ToolMonster, you buying through my link, but because of access to this over 1,000 tools for you. Now that's what you have. And my bonus number 5 will be definitely all vendor bonuses. All the vendor bonuses for this product will be yours, and of course you'll be able to have access to them using that link, and of course get access to them on the members area when you buy this product using my link. When you do eventually, like I told you before, click any of these links. They will take you to the sales page where you can click any of the links that, like this one. When you do, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. Under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to ToolMonster with this button green, and here this blue one will give you access to these amazing 1,022 bonuses. So that's exactly what you have from me. And with that said, let us actually take a look at the amazing sales page of this very amazing software, so that you see exactly what we are talking about here. This is the sales page. We can scroll together, but I'm sure you that at your convenience you'll be able to do so yourself, which I think may be preferable, because there's not much we can cover here apart from just scrolling through and see if we can locate the very bonuses that I promised you from the vendor, which will be yours. And of course you'll be able to see what you got there, if that will help you make up your mind to get this amazing software that will help you make money online. This is what I'm talking about. The ToolMonster bonus number 3, it says 400 plus WordPress premium themes. Number 2 is a advanced SEO client checklist. Number 3 is a $100 day income system, and 4 will be blogging cheat sheet, which will help you make money as a blogger, and number 5 will be $100 case study from ToolMonster. That's about 5 products from there, and of course you have over 1,022 from my own bonuses. So that's what you have as long as this sales page is concerned. Now let us just take a look at this very software members area, the software itself in action. When we finish that, we will ramp up this very review on my bonus page. Let's see that. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review cloud-based products, IT products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today, we are reviewing ToolMonster, and this is exactly where we come to the end of it. I will encourage you to click the like button and give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this remains your Mike, the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here. And from me, from here guys, is goodbye.